अरे, oh, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is the Moto Nerd. So Thursday and I'm heading to the office like always. Oh my god. Trying to complete my quota of the office visit that I need to do in a week. Today and tomorrow we have like client holidays for Thanksgiving, so it will be a little light during the evening time. Usually we have like too many calls with the clients, as most of the clients that we work with are like US clients, and the timings are very messed up. I really hate I really hate it, but I think yeah, 2 days of relief for all of us. Hopefully, yeah. If no, something important comes up, then we might have a call. So as it's Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving is for like being grateful for all the things that you have in your life, all the people that you have in your life, and all the things you are able to do right now. Being grateful is, yeah. What was I saying? अरे याद नहीं अभी भी है man. अरे यार ऐसे रोड पे उल्टा क्यों चला था. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I think we should all be grateful and happy for all the things that we have in our life. We always crib about the things that we don't have and complain about them, which is not a bad thing to do. I mean, it's all right to rant about things, all the bad things. I mean, at least you're venting things out. But at the same time, you also need to be very grateful for all the good things that are happening in your life, the good people that you have in your life. So, yeah, this might be one of those instances, or one of those days that where you can maybe do that. In other news, the AQI has been so bad in Mumbai lately that you can't even like step out in the evenings and stuff. Like last night, we went out for a walk. We saw what the scenario was and just we left for home. Like it was that bad. I mean, I've never seen such levels of pollution in Mumbai so far, at least. I mean, I don't know if it's going to get worse or if it's going to get better. It does seem to be better right now, but yeah, I mean, it's daytime, and I don't know whether all of those polluted particles would be visible to our like visible eye right now. But in the evening time, it's like it gets foggy and it's visible as well. चलो एक सिग्नल हो गया. So yeah, the AQI. I mean, right now it looks okay, but it's very concerning when you can tell with your naked eyes and you can just smell the pollution in the air. Like, I don't know how bad it's like affecting our health. Something should be done about it. I don't know. I think it's mostly because of all the construction that is happening in Mumbai right now. Maybe a bit because of the volcanic ash, but I don't think that's the major contributor. Because even before the volcano erupted, it was above 150 or so. So yeah, you can't blame everything on the volcano. अरे वाह, classic 350. I'm really not a big fan of loud exhaust, but there are some instances, or maybe in some scenarios, where you enjoy it. Maybe on highways it's fun, but I don't think you should have like loud exhaust within the city limits. It's very annoying for a lot of folks, especially when you take out your bike during the night time and everyone's sleeping and you're going boom boom on the roads. I don't think you should be doing that. In the on the highways, I think it's a useful thing as well. Like when you're going on high speeds, it's always good to have more indicators of whether a high speed vehicle is arriving. So if an exhaust is loud, you know from far away that there's a high speed vehicle coming in and you can be prepared for it. अरे यार जला क्यों रहा है? Let's see how the AQI turns up, ends up being in a few days. They did say it will settle down a bit, but it's very concerning for everyone. As someone who suffers from allergies and asthma, I would say it is kind of scary. I could feel it in my throat like few days back. I had this like I was drinking a lot of water for some reason. Like I was very thirsty, and my throat was getting dry very quickly. And it's probably because of a sore throat that I got from the pollution itself. Just breathing the air in the city is bad for our health. Like that is not a good way to live. I mean, there's another argument to make like how much taxes and all we pay and the quality of life that we get for it is like bad shit. Hey, ja, bhai. Yeah. What kind of road is this, man? Yeah. Such grainy roads are really bad to ride on. I mean, your tire starts going here and there, especially when it's a scooter and you have like smaller tires. मेरे इसको चिपक के चलाना है. We used to have blue skies and good visibility. Powai Lake used to be a like good spot to just hang out and chill. Now all you get is like bad air to breathe and get sick from. CBR 250 यार, rare motorcycle. Triumph 400. It's a nice backpack over there. Like what do you call it? I don't know, but it looks nice. The exhaust is like throwing all of its stuff on my face. Skoda Kailak. I'm hearing a lot about this car. Like it's really good. The pickup and all, it's really good for a 1000cc car. And there are like when you get Skoda's refinement and reliability and all those things as well. Looks good. Yeah, it's somewhere between not a proper SUV, but it's a good sized vehicle. Okay, that's about it. I'll stop recording now.